Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be removing the radiator on the Ducati. So some context for this is I came back from a ride and I was smelling lots of coolant. Upon looking further on the left hand side fairing, I see lots of drops of red coolant which were leaking from the radiator. I gave it a closer look near the hoses and it seems like it's radiator damage. Now I've looked around already on the forums as to see if this is a common issue, and apparently it is so. There was a manufacturing defect near the top left bracket, and it seems also that that's the place where my radiator is leaking. So yeah, hopefully this is repairable damage. If not, obviously we'll have to buy a new radiator. So let's get a closer look and we'll see from there. So before I remove the fairing, I will show you what I found. This is the coolant over here, the red coolant, which is on the left hand side of the fairing. And over there, there's the pipes. Let me switch on a light, maybe you can see better. And there's coolant all over there. Now when I remove the fairing, we'll analyze the damage a bit further, because currently we can't see with the dark over there. So now that the fairing is removed, we can see a lot better now. Over there, let me focus. Over there we can see the damage and the leak. So I will remove now the right hand side fairing and I will start dismantling the hoses and the radiator brackets, and I will remove it from the bike. So now that both fairings are removed and also the hose pipes have been removed, it's time to undo the radiator from the brackets. So basically there is an 8mm over there, a bolt, and also I can see a 5mm Allen bolt over here. Okay, I think we also need to remove don't also forget to remove the overflow cable from this side, and the radiator should come out pretty easily after that. Also, don't forget to remove the fan plugs, which is right over here. So now the next step is to take it to the radiator shop and let's see if we can get it fixed. So over here we can see the damage. Let's see if we can focus on that. It looks like it's already been welded, I think. So I'm not sure if that can be repaired or not. So we'll leave it to the professional guys and we'll decide from there. So I just came back from the radiator shop and unfortunately this one cannot be repaired. It's not 100% guarantee. So yeah, it's not worth the risk to try and repair it. And there's not much of a price difference between the repair and the new radiator. So I'm just gonna go for a new one. So this will be the end of this video. It will be part 1. And on the next video, when the new radiator arrives, I will do another video. That will be part 2. So yeah, that's it for now. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you on part 2.